Sakit sakit taga-DPWH ako. Lahat ng naririnig ko sa inyo.
Oo
Sakit.
nga, nasasaktan pa kayo. Tatanong ko sana yon, being a former secretary, ano po nararamdaman nyo? Puro, you're the butt of jokes now.
Oo nga
Dati yung agency, ha?
Yeah, that's why I had to stand up and come out in the open because I feel na meron pa namang magagaling dyan sa DPWH. Nakakapipon.
Pero mukhang bakit hindi yata sila naririnig? Or are they pushing, anong nangyayari? Natatabunan sila nung Parang ang tingin kasi ng mga tao, mas marami yung masama. Kasi otherwise, we won't have this scandal in our hands, di ba?
No, what happens there is people get absorbed by the system, no? Pag siyempre, nasa isang distrito, alam nila nangungurakot si ganito, si ganyan. Kami, sali na rin kami riyan. Alam nga naman kayo ng makinabang. So, that I think is what happened here. But as I mentioned, I've been discussing this with the Sec Vince, about what are the immediate things that he can do. I'm happy that he started cleaning house, because sabi ko sa kanya, napakaliwanag naman yan. Sino nag-approve sa district? Sino nag-inspect? Sino nag-bid? Sino nag-inspect? Sino nag-final payment? Lahat yan may paper trail. No? Hindi naman lalabas yung perang walang nag-approve dyan. So, I'm happy that he started sacking people and clearly, many are at fault. Lalong-lalo na sa probinsya ng aking kaibigan na si Joel